I am Jim Brule, Managing Partner of Centroid Systems, and today I'm here with Keith Casey, customer of ours. He's CIO of the Tombras Group out of Tennessee.
In 2010, we started a data visualization group, an analytics group, driven mainly with the marketing aspect of data. Of course, web-driven primarily. And as we grew and scaled that, our clients became more sophisticated and wanted to give us more of their back-end data. CRM data, ERP data, started to connect dots between loyalty programs, inventory levels, point of sale. And so that drove a need to create a more secure environment for this platform.
They wanted to modernize and not only have the elasticity and scalability, but also a security model that protected their customers and their data. So our proposal consisted of building out Oracle OCI, moving their entire environment from on-premise and into the cloud, providing the level of security and scalability that their customers and their business and the IT operations needed.
So in the process of talking with Centroid and looking at Oracle, we obviously were considering Microsoft products and considering Amazon products. Because this was driven by data security, I liked the starting point with Oracle, having a little bit more of a build and not just a bare metal solution. And I like that force behavior of starting to create some governance. And so I think that plays back into the managed services side as we start to go live with this. So Oracle quickly became a front runner because of that differentiator.
We already had pre-built processes, accelerators that we could take people's workloads, Oracle and non-Oracle workload, and build out OCI and then move those into that environment at a quick pace.
Centroid really stood out because of their willingness to take on the build and to take on the managed services side. This was a unique situation. I don't have that security mindset in an advertising agency. Centroid was able to take that off from me and offload that. So that's been a big difference to not have to worry about it. So now that we're up and running and into production with this environment, we've been able to answer questions to our prospective clients about our security model. So being able to check that box and quickly answer those questions has allowed us to reach a different level of client and more sophisticated client, and quickly get past security questionnaires where we were saying no before and now we're saying yes. Finding out about Velocity program and being able to look at that bucket of money that help offset costs, it let us focus a little bit more on the total picture and not just get hung up on budget and the spend that we were having to really address. And so I think it just accelerated the process, and it really let us know Oracle was committed to small business and trying to help us move and migrate into their product suite. Obviously, when we started a big project like this, there was a lot of money involved. There was a lot of budgeting concerns. And so finding out about the Velocity program really let us shift our focus from just total dollars to really the whole suite of services that were available to us. And it let us kind of accelerate the process and get a really warm feeling from Oracle that they were committed to trying to get us involved, to get us into the product suite. And by doing that, by showing us some dollars there, that really helped us with the decision. We're looking, obviously, at how to scale this. We are an agency with 60 different clients using this installation and this platform. And so it just keeps scaling. Types of data that we're ingesting get more complicated. We're looking now at Autonomous Database as a solution to create more of a data lake than a data warehouse and to simplify ingesting of data. And I think we will also be looking at ways to harness other parts of the cloud from Oracle for DR, high availability. And so we're not done, it's just the beginning. And from here we just keep growing.